Ingredients are vegetable broth, pizza sauce, 2 8-ounce pizza dough, mozzarella cheese, milk, flour, butter. All right, here's the beginning of the roux. Take a look at it. Butter, flour, melting and stirring. We're gonna make a white roux. Not pale, not blonde. Not blonde, Brandon. While it's cooking, we bring the milk because we're making a bechamel. Brandon, do you know what a bechamel is?
I don't even know what you just said.
Bechamel is a base for many white sauces.
Okay.
Or, in this case, a cheese sauce. Okay, B, here I got the roux. You see the bubbles? Yeah. All right, so I have 1 ounce butter to 1 tablespoon of flour. Okay, I got here 4 ounces of milk, so I'm just gonna add it ever so slowly to thicken it. All right, so the roux will thicken the milk. See how thick it got?
Yeah, it turned to a little pasty.
I know. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more. So we got 4 ounces of milk to 2 ounces of roux. Roux is made equal parts of flour and butter or fat. Could be done with oil. Okay, pull out the fire. We're gonna season a little bit of white pepper. Be careful, white pepper is unforgiving. Too much, you're done. Okay, see how nice and creamy. A little bit of salt.
Just little bits of both?
Yeah, just to balance the flavor of the milk and the roux. Now low heat. We're gonna have about 2 ounces of cheese. Look at that. Done. All right, done. Gonna bring here.
What is that?
This is our pizza sauce.
How much you put in there?
So right here we got 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons?
2 tablespoons, okay? See the smokies? It's a little warm already. Now, it's a little too runny. We thicken it later on, okay? So that's off, everything is off, sauce. Preheat the oven at 400 degrees. Let's do 12 minutes. Let's make our pizza. All right, so the pizza is in the oven. The crust is in the oven. So I noticed that this sauce has little chunks, and that's a big no-no in a puree. So let's blend it while we wait. Always to cover the bottom of the blade. Okay. Where's the help when you need it? Ira.
Yeah.
Say it.
Yes, chef.
All right. Smooth now. Very smooth. So now I'm gonna heat them up because I want my pizza hot. Oh, did I just say a commercial?
Did you just say a commercial?
Yeah, Pizza Hut. Oh. Pizza Hut. A hot pizza. Beautiful. Smooth. Yeah.
What?
Done. Got the crust. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Nice and cracky type with a little soft.
So just cutting it into pieces?
Yeah, make it easy on the blender. Our cooked pizza crust is in the blender. Now we're gonna add 4 ounces of vegetable broth.
Boom.
Goes in. Guys, we ended up using 8 ounces of vegetable broth to puree the crust, the pizza crust. Okay, so let's keep it simple. 8 ounce crust, 8 ounce vegetable broth.
Easy money.
Easy math. Okay, now we're going to shape it like a pizza. How are we going to do that? Wait. So the sauce is too thin, so we're going to take it out. So I'm going to use a scoop with that's a teaspoon.
Whole teaspoon?
A whole teaspoon. So let's drop a whole teaspoon. I'll do a half.
Okay.
So 1.5 teaspoons.
How's the spoon taste?
It's a little loose, but not bad. It's gonna go on top of the bread, so I believe it should be okay. So I was thinking, Brandon, so we can use a pastry bag with one of those flat pastry tips, or if you happen to own a Spetzel machine, let's try the Spetzel machine. Let's see how that works. Feed the beast. Let's put together our pizza, shall we?
Let's do it, man.
All right. So I just bring it out from the refrigerator. It's about 10 minutes, actually. Make it simple. Okay. A little bit here to see if I can spread it this way. Yep. The moment of truth right here. Okay.
See it, dude.
We're gonna reheat it. So place it in the oven. Yeah. And I turn the oven off. This way we capture the heat of the oven only. So it's not a radiating heat. Okay? So let's 5 minutes. I see you then. Okay. Hot plate, hot.
Hot plate.
Hot plate.
All right, man.
That's your utensil. That's mine. That's our puree pizza.
Okay.
Okay. You know how to cut a pizza?
No. You did no different than what. Oh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
So, look at that. Itsy.
Love me some pizza. That's
Itsy.
chilling.
Look at that.
Take a bite. Stop playing with your food.
No, but look. It's like pizza to me.
We got our cheese. Our sauce. Boom. So right, sticks, stays. Easy.
What are you learning?
I like it. That's not bad. Not that I expect anything different though, right? Only expect the best.
If you come back for a second,
Yeah, right.
that says it all. That's the story right there. I have to say nothing.
No.
All right? So if you like what you see, challenge us, give a thumbs up, follow us, subscribe. See you in the next video.
Peace. Wow. Not bad.
Mm-hmm.